Listen to this voice I used as reference.
Well, I wanted to wish you happy birthday, and sorry, not being truthful from the start.
And result of this.
Morning paints the sky with gold, new stories wait to be told. Every step, both small and true, brings a brighter path to you. Hope will bloom where dreams begin.
And all of these amazing results are powered by OmniVoice version 0.2.1. With this latest update, you can now clone your voice in 600 plus languages with impressive quality and natural sounding speech. But that's not all. You also have the freedom to choose the accent you want, making your generated voice sound even more authentic and suited to your audience. It's not just about voice cloning. With OmniVoice version 0.2.1, you can also generate an entirely new voice from scratch. Choose the age, accent, and other voice characteristics.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy birthday.
The results are incredibly natural and as close to a real human voice as possible. Whether you're a content creator, developer, or just curious about AI voice technology, this tutorial has everything you need. So sit back, and let's jump straight into the installation and see OmniVoice version 0.2.1 in action. Click the GitHub link in my description to go to main page of OmniVoice. You can EAD documentation and other details you want to know about this tool. To install this locally, you only need at least 3 GB graphic card, CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11, FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. You can install these dependencies by watching my playlist, link is in description. Once you're ready, click on Code option and copy Git code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Type git clone and paste code you copied to clone OmniVoice. Once clone, type cd and go to clone folder, copy its path, and paste in command window to go inside clone folder. Now create venv using Python 3.10.11. Activate venv with activation code. Now you need to install PyTorch, but first make sure what CUDA version you got installed. To install CUDA version, go to main page of PyTorch and copy code matching your CUDA version. If you don't see your CUDA version, just copy any code and paste in command window. 126 is CUDA 12.8, 118 is CUDA 11.8. Change that to your CUDA version and add Torch audio before installing PyTorch. Once PyTorch installed, type this requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, go to main page of OmniVoice and copy main code from there. Paste that code in command window. This will launch OmniVoice after downloading models. Once you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser. To avoid using any codes to run OmniVoice again, go to Main folder and create new text file. Open that text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now you can easily launch OmniVoice double-clicking this run file. To use OmniVoice for voice cloning, type text you want to convert to speech. Upload audio file you want to sound like.
Hey Claire, hope you are doing well. I wanted to wish you happy.
If you add transcription, result will be better. You can also choose if you want a different accent. Speed, inference steps, that's all up to you. Click Generate to turn your words to speech.
And this is the voice generated.
For generating a new voice, click on Voice Design. Type text. Choose language, gender, other option up to you, then click Generate.
And this is voice I designed.
And that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.